Hey, what's up? What it do? I'm glad you're back here with me on Vida TV. Let go. Today, in this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how me personal, me, all eyes on me, how to make noodles, ramen noodles. Yeah, nah, I don't think this is the usual brand that we get, but this is what we got in our household. You know how we do. You work with what you got and be thankful, or you get smacked by somebody like me. You get it. Chicken, garam. What? Get you a bowl. Got your noodles. I break my noodles up. Just break it up. Throw it on the floor if you want. Whatever you want. You wanna open your noodles while it's all broken up and stuff. You know the vibes. And what you wanna do is your bowl. Dump that hoe in. But make sure you take your sauce out. You know the vibes. Let go. Okay. What you wanna do now is put some water there. Put some water. You gotta make sure like that though. Make sure it's like that. Make sure it's like over the noodles a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. I told y'all I'ma be teaching y'all how to make noodles my way. My way.
My way. My way. My way.
So you put the water in, and then guess where that hoe going? Guess where that hoe going? What you want to do? This is what you want to do. You want to put it on 3 minutes. You want to put that mother on 3 minutes. You know the vibe. Let's go. Once you put it on 3 minutes, you gotta watch it, bro. You gotta watch it. Cause once when that junk get to cooking, my dog, it get to cooking. Once it gets to cooking, it's gonna start rising. The water gonna start rising. So you gotta watch it, cause you don't want no messy. You don't want no messy microwave. You don't want no messy microwave. So you gotta watch it so it the water don't overflow. Okay. Like y'all see it, right? Y'all see it. It's starting to overflow. See, that's why you gotta watch it. So, cause don't nobody want no messy microwave. And y'all look at the time. It's about to be a minute. It's about to be a minute. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. When y'all stop it, make sure you stir that junk. Stir that hoe. Stir. Y'all ain't see that. You wanna stir that hoe like that. And loosen it up, you know what I'm saying? Let me get this. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Alright, so once y'all stir it up, close that hole back up. Lock that hole back up. And then put a minute up there. Put a minute up there. When that hole overflow again, you know, stir that hole, bro. Stir that hole. You wanna see a magic trick? Pile hole. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all. And then you're gonna add 30 more seconds on it. At 10 seconds, get that motherfucker 40 seconds. This is what your noodles should look like as soon as you get it out the microwave, okay? This what you want to do now. Watch it. Watch it very close now. For me, I like some water in my noodles. You know what I'm saying? To keep it juicy. To keep it. Alright, once when you get the amount of water out of your noodles, you add your sauce. You add the packet thingy. Sauce, check. Then once when you put your sauce in there, make sure you make sure you stir that junk out real good. You know the vibes? You know? Alright, That's basically done making regular noodles. But let me tell you what I do. You see this? Slap your mama. It's so hot it'll make you slap your mama, bro. Really, bro. Really. But this stuff is spicy though, like for real. I think that's why I like it. But what I do, you only supposed to pour a little bit in there, okay? So just pour a little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. Don't be pouring a lot. And then you just stir that bit. Yes. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
As long as God keeps on blessing.
Hey! Bring it here. Bring it here. My Lord. My Lord. Yes. Yes, I like smoke. I got me some Sunny D. Bye. D.